Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the Volvo V60 Cross Country T5. Total price on this one, $48,455. This one has the 2-liter turbo, 8-speed automatic, 250 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque. Good amount of room back here. Thank you, Volvo, for making wagons. It won't work when the car's on, will it? Wait a minute. I gotta shut the car off now and try that. So that's that. Got the key. I've never done this before, so there we go. It's directly where the hitch would be mounted. I see. That's pretty cool. All right. This thing's really nice. I love this thing. There's no reason Volvo should be making a wagon. Nobody buys them, but I'm so glad they do. It's one of the only wagons for sale, at least in the US. I don't know how much longer they're gonna keep bringing it to the US though, because honestly nobody buys them. Which is a shame because, you know, Volvo, their all-wheel drive system's phenomenal. There's no reason for a crossover when you can buy one of these. That would be, it's normally the glove box or the drive mode. Not bad at all. I also applaud Volvo for keeping a torque converter auto and not going CVT like everybody else. The one thing with this is this actually handles well. You know, unlike crossovers and all that, this is based on the S60. Well, crossovers may be based on the S60, but ride height slightly increased, but at the end of the day, it's more car than SUV. Now I think about the Outback as a wagon too, but that's bordering more on. This is literally like an S60 with a hatchback. That's pretty much what this is. Maybe a little bit of a lift. That's it. And that's why I love it. Oh man, I was looking for the keys for this thing all day. Last car of the day, I found the keys, got to drive it. That's a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.